Magbubuo daw kami ng 3D puzzle. So, let's start.
Then you like this. You want me to help?
Maybe help me. Move here so that can
So
see.
easy. I can help you.
Let's do together.
Okay, I do this first. I want to do this first. I'm so easy. It's so easy to do. It's a 3D, so need to be very careful.
Okay.
It's a 3D.
You do it so many times, right?
Yeah.
So that's why you already know.
I know it already, but you don't need to say how. I just know to do it.
I do it wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe this one is right.
You need to think. You make the cartoon first. Have the Paw Patrol first. Don't always think very hard.
Wrong. I made it
You
wrong.
don't make the feet first. You make her head first.
Ah.
See, it's so easy for me now.
Yeah, it's so easy for you already. Yeah. It's a very long time you didn't play this one, right?
Yep.
So that's why. But you still can. You still can build.
I know. You just cut the front video.
Okay, do.
Okay, it's so easy. This is an easy peasy lemon squeeze.
Summer, summer.
Does it help you?
I think I do it right here.
This is the flying one. And this one is he jump to the air. One is the one he's on the ground. One is the jump. I wish I could fly it. Maybe it's. But you also need to think by yourself. I saw you.
Yes.
Cannot. I also cannot always help you.
This one. Correct.
Oopsie, not so correct. This one is forward. That one. This. Oopsie, not like this.
Okay.
Try
How about this?
And this one, no. This one I know where to put it. Just give it to me, and I'll help you.
Okay. This one. This one is here. Okay, last two pieces.
So fast. Also fast. Together. More fast. My own also so fast. Two people is more fast. Just give to me.
Okay.
See, the 3D puzzle.
That works.
Can.
Yan, ganyan ang ano niya, 3D oh. Nag-iiba ang ano niya. Yan, yan ang gusto niyang ipakita. So, yun. Tapos na naming buuin ng kanyang puzzle. So, gusto niya lang ipakita na nag-iiba yung kanyang color kapag minumove siya. So, yun lang. Masyado siyang game na game sa aking mga video kaya gusto niya lagi kasali siya. Masyadong maepal ba? So, yun lang.